In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Desktop download speed. We'll focus on a quick adjustment that can help your PC give Steam the attention it needs while you're downloading games or updates. Start by opening the Steam app on your desktop. Once Steam is up, head to the area where you can view your downloads and click Manage Downloads. This page lets you keep an eye on the current download, the speed graph, and any queued items. Keep it open so you can see the effect of the change we're about to make. Next, move to your Windows desktop taskbar. Right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in a compact view, expand it so you can see the full list of running processes. Look through the processes list and find Steam. Right-click the Steam entry and choose Go to Details. This jumps you directly to the underlying process the app is using. In the Details tab, locate steam.exe. Right-click steam.exe, hover over Set Priority, and then select Real Time. Windows may prompt you to confirm. Go ahead and accept. What this does is tell Windows to give Steam top priority for CPU scheduling. If your slow downloads are caused by your system being busy with other apps, this can help Steam maintain steadier throughput and reduce stutters in the download graph you saw earlier. A few notes while you test. Real time is the highest priority level and can make other apps less responsive while it's enabled, especially on lower-end systems. That's normal, and it's why I recommend using this only during active downloads. When you're done, you can repeat the same steps and set the priority back to normal to restore typical system behavior. Now return to Steam's Manage Downloads page and watch your speed for a minute or two. If you see a more stable or higher rate, the change is helping. If there's no difference, the bottleneck might be your network, your router, or the current load on Steam servers. Either way, you've now applied one of the most effective Windows side tweaks to prioritize Steam and potentially speed up downloads.